In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Hostinger email step by step, so you can log into your mailbox quickly and start checking your messages without any confusion. If you've just set up email hosting with Hostinger, or you simply can't remember where to find your inbox, this guide will walk you through the exact clicks you need to make. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and web hosting guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Hostinger dashboard and sign in with the account that manages your Hostinger or email service. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Email section. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your email-related tools, so it's the main place you want to start. After clicking Emails, you'll see the Email Management area for your account. From here, click Mailboxes. This will show you the email inboxes that have been created for your domain. If you have more than one mailbox, make sure you choose the one you want to open. This is especially useful if you're managing business email addresses for different team members or departments. Now, once you're in the Mailboxes section, click Webmail. In some cases, you may see a Webmail option directly on the mailbox page, and in other cases, you may need to click it again to fully open the logging screen. Don't worry if it seems like an extra step. That's completely normal, and it's just part of Hostinger's email access process. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you type them carefully, because even a small typo can stop you from logging in. If you copied your password from somewhere else, double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after it. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click Login. After that, Hostinger will open your Webmail inbox, and you'll be able to read, send, and manage your emails right from the browser. This is the fastest way to access Hostinger email without needing to set up a separate email app right away. You can also use this method whenever you need to quickly check your messages from any device. If you want a smoother experience, it's a good idea to bookmark the login page or keep your email credentials saved securely in your password manager. That way, the next time you need to access Hostinger email, the process will be even faster. So to recap, go to your Hostinger dashboard, click Emails, open Mailboxes, click Webmail, and then enter your email and password to log in. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.